You will be picked up from your hotel to move you around Halong Bay. Transfer from the pier to the cruise junk by a tender boat. Upon arrival on your boat, check into your room. After the departure, you can have lunch on board while admiring the splendid view of Halong Bay. In the afternoon, you will be free, relaxed within the impressive beauty of the legendary bay. In the evening, you will have an outdoor barbecue dinner. If you come on festive days, the staff will organize special activities for visitors like receiving gifts or cosplaying.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
After the buffet breakfast, you will experience kayaking on the bay to admire the islets, visit the caves and fishing village. Then you return to the junk and have lunch on board. The evening is also free time on board. After breakfast, the staff will take you to visit the Thiên Cảnh Sơn cave. Then you can attend a traditional cooking class. Sometimes you get the penny, hot, a little bit of everything. Really, it's not as easy. Launch on board, then return to the pier. Our driver and guide will take you back to Hanoi. Thank you and see you soon.